In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a child theme on WordPress, perfect for beginners who are diving into website customization. Let's get started by guiding you through each step to make the process as smooth as possible. First, head over to wordpress.com. Simply open your browser and type in wordpress.com to reach the home page. Once you're there, the next step is to log in. Find the Login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click it. Enter your credentials to access your WordPress account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center where you manage all aspects of your website, from posts to plugins. On the WordPress homepage after logging in, look for a menu option or a prompt that leads you to the dashboard and click on it. Inside the dashboard, one of the most essential areas you'll interact with is the Plugins section. Search for this on the left-hand sidebar. Click on Plugins, which will take you to the section where you can manage and add new functionalities to your site. Now that you're in the Plugins area, let's proceed to add a new plugin. Look for an Add New button, typically at the top of the page, and click it. This will allow you to search for various plugins available within WordPress. For installing a child theme, we'll need a specific kind of plugin. In the search bar that appears, type in Child Theme and press Enter. WordPress will now show you a list of plugins related to child themes. These plugins help to effectively create and manage child themes, allowing you to modify existing themes without altering the core files. This is a crucial aspect because it ensures that your changes are preserved when the theme is updated. Browse through the list and find a plugin that suits your needs. Once you've chosen your plugin, you'll see an Install button next to it. Go ahead and click on Install. WordPress will automatically download and install the plugin for you. When the installation is complete, the button will change to Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin on your WordPress site. And that's it. You've successfully installed and activated a child theme plugin on your WordPress site. This plugin will help you to ensure your site remains customizable and flexible. Remember, using a child theme allows you to tweak your site without losing your changes when updates occur. Thank you for following this tutorial. I hope this guide was helpful, and you feel more confident in customizing your WordPress site with a child theme. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy blogging!